Okay, so here's my Python game. The first test case is when you select a value of 1 and then guess a value of 1, and it shows the report there. And then the second time we also choose a max value of 1, but then we guess 0, 2, and then 1. And then for the third time we select a max value of 10, and then I play to the best of my ability. So I'll choose 5. This was will go with 7, and there we have it. I was find number 2 guesses. And then the last test case is with a max value of 50, and so I choose 25. It was too high, then I go to 12. It was still too high, then I go to 6, and that was too low, and then I go up to 9, and there we have it. You're able to find the number in 4 guesses. The numbers you guessed were 25, 12, 6, and 9.